Noncapillaria. Plantita lives on a planet with no adhesion.
On planet Noncapillaria, our organism Planeta thrives despite the lack of adhesion. What sets this planet apart from others is the lack of adhesion it has. Our planet has learned to adapt to these conditions by not obtaining water and obtaining nutrients from the sun. Planeta has a flower-like build with roots and leaves as well as blue freckles in which it obtains its energy from. It gets its energy from in adaptation through photosynthesis and obtains its energy through the freckles on the planeta. There is a lack of adhesion on non-capillaria, which makes it hard for the water to stick to the other molecules.
Noncapillaria prevents adhesion. Our plant moves on its own because there is no adhesion on our planet, which is water sticking to other molecules, in this case, our plant. On Noncapillaria, the leaves at the root of the stem act as fins, swimming and moving on its own. The water can't stick to the tissues of the plant, so it can move faster and smoother. This is different from other plants because Planeta can't stay rooted to the ground by adhesion. Our plant's adaptation is the fins on the root.
On Noncapillaria, the weather and environment is tropic. Our sun plant is an emergent plant growing from under the water. Since the weather is tropic, there is a lot of sun. The heat of the sun makes the water evaporate slightly. The plant is above the water and some of the water vapor attaches to the plant. The water vapor attaches to the plant and travels through the sun plant to the other plants to mate. It acts as pollen. The plants then reproduce into other new plants.
On Noncapillaria, our plantita lives in a lake in a tropic area and it breathes through its outside small petals. Oxygen is what it breathes in and carbon dioxide is what it breathes out through its mouth, and that is its gas exchange. Its anomaly is that it breathes through its petals and doesn't do photosynthesis. Its adaptation is that because it lives in a lake and doesn't do photosynthesis, it has a longer lifespan. Because water is a solvent, the sun plant is able to live in the